is my friend Justin, and today we just got the Gans Air Ultimate.
Ultimate, yeah, not Ultimate Magnetic. You do the first turns.
Okay, I'm gonna do the first. You're gonna open it? Okay. Here's the credit card thing. My number is 278839. That's my lunch number. No, never. If only it was, that would've been awesome.
Don't. If it was your lunch number, don't tell people that it's yours. All right.
Drain $50,000 from my account.
What is? Oh, what is this?
Oh my God! Can I do first turns? Is it good?
Oh yes.
Oh my God.
Dude, that would become my main over my Vulcan.
Oh my God! It's my main. It's my main. What springs is it?
What springs? It's green.
This is yours for $1. I'm getting a square one for $1.
Yeah. No refunds. No refunds. No refunds. No refunds. No refunds.
Oh. Okay. Oh my God. What the heck? Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one has green springs.
Why is it black? I just remove it. Guys.
Okay, guys.
Guys.
All right.
Guys.
This is so smooth, guys.
Okay, I'll just keep it then.
Just keep it. She's like, no refunds. Okay.
But where's the tensioning tool? Oh, never mind. Oh, I didn't get the metal one. Who cares?
Look at that.
Here are the springs. I'm gonna like set it down a lot more. Focus. Okay, there we go. Oh my God, ultimate. I'm just.
I'll give you my.
Look at that.
Yeah. Put in.
Wait, don't you have one? No, you just got the regular.
I got the regular one. Let's compare this.
Dude, do you want to try out some springs? I can give you some blue springs, maybe. I might.
Yeah.
Nah. Wait, what do you use?
I use the orange springs, probably because it's really tight.
I just got a Gans Air Ultimate.
What?
Ultimate.
I just bought that. Like.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah. It's very smooth.
I just got a Gans Air Ultimate.
It's smooth, right?
How to be Max Park's favorite fan. I just grabbed that and give it to him.
Oh my God.
No.
Yeah. Okay. If you want to be Max Park's favorite fan, just get a
Wait, is this the magnetic one?
No, it's just regular.
No, just regular.
So yeah, that'd be awesome.
This is yours for one.
For free. What if he's broke?
Okay.
This one comes stock with greens.
Can I try this?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
This thing is not my main.
Seriously?
No.
No.
Maybe. Let's go. Should we lube it? It has a nice airy feeling, obviously.
Well, I would take it.
The vault with the Why does it remind me of Apple?
Because of the box.
No, watch. You open the box, you take out your phone, and then all the other stuff inside.
Yeah, the packaging, yeah.
Oh my God.
It's exactly the same thing.
Did you not realize that?
I realized that.
The vault gets a new Apple.
Yeah, there's that. It's the iCube.
See, it's gonna be popular first.
Don't call it the Apple Cube. It's called the iCube. Okay, guys, I just went to the Apple store and we got the Apple Cube. Ignore that part. Okay, guys. It's hideous. No, just kidding. It's like, first reactions, it's hideous. Oh, I got the DNM 37 on this thing.
And if you don't have the DNM 37,
Max Part,
get it.
Max Part.
Is that
you can have this. You can have this Max Part. Never mind. I take that back.
He already has. He has the whole. Dude, I would take this. I want to steal it, dude. I want to steal it so bad.
It's like, hey, I wonder where my Gans cube is.
Like, oh, here it is. Wait
a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go lube it.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna try the tensions. See which one's the best for me. Personally, the greens are weird. I want to try the limited edition GES systems because here, I'm gonna swap the springs. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to swap springs, but like. I mean, I'm gonna try out. I'm trying out the purple ones.
Wait.
Okay, so yeah, the Gans unboxing took so long. There's gonna be 2 parts, so yeah, stay tuned for part 2. And yeah, that'll be it, guys. Yeah, please subscribe and stay for more videos. Peace.